And it's raining today again. It seems like there's more warnings as well. Heavy rainfall expected, I guess, around the area. And I guess with that in mind, the first thing I read today was how apparently in some places in the province, they're building things like a dam, I guess, to prepare for any potential floodings. How about this one? It says here, an aerial look at the hard work on the Tiger Dam set up last night on BC Highway 1 in Abbotsford to hold back Sumas flood waters. So as you can see, they show pictures and videos and stuff from their drone that they use to capture, I guess, the work that they're doing. Kind of makes me think too, because I wouldn't doubt it. There's a lot of people saying, for example, don't fly a drone at all, period. In places like this, it's too dangerous. Yet, when you look at this with the way they're using it in various cases, some of them are so low, it just looks like a regular camera. And the complexity is really simple overall. But then there's some people who insist, nope, it's a huge manned aircraft, don't ever use it. In my opinion, more people can use it in a good way because the mass majority of people use it in a responsible and safe way. And with that topic of drone, actually, this was kind of an interesting follow-up story. I still remember that one where they said people in a county, they tried to make all these regulations to ban people from flying a drone in a park, even to go as far as saying they're gonna ban things like cameras and stuff, like in general. But how about this one here? It says, circuit judge grants injunction blocking Ottawa County's ban on drones at public parks. Now keep in mind, this isn't Canada, Ottawa, it's in the US. A circuit court judge has sided with a group of drone enthusiasts, granting an injunction that blocks Ottawa County's policy of banning drone usage at county parks. And it says the judge issued an injunction Wednesday, November 24th, ordering a halt to the county's policy that bans drones from being operated without a permit at county parks altogether at other county properties. Mia Dammer first heard the arguments over the case Michigan Coalition of Drone Operators versus Ottawa County. So this has been an ongoing battle, and just from the stories I read anyways, it seems like those people in charge of that county park and stuff, they're really, I guess, bitter in some ways, like saying, oh, like, we're not gonna lose this. Let's basically keep going. Doesn't matter what we have to do just to ban them. Like, it doesn't really feel like it has much to do about safety overall. And it says here, in her 15-page opinion, Mia Dammer cited state law which prevents local governments from enacting policies regulating drone usage. The state law essentially allows drone pilots to fly as long as they are compliant with federal law. That's often the conflict currently. I mean, as ridiculous as a lot of the regulations are federally and stuff and all that, there's so much conflict between, I guess, localities and stuff saying, oh, we're gonna all of a sudden ban this and that. You can't fly over here or there, when in reality, it should be the federal law in this case, unless people are actually, let's just say, I don't know, trying to operate specifically, take over the whole spot, and that's a little different. And they say in Ottawa County's policy adopted on drones passed in July, pilots were only allowed to fly their drones at the county's parks if they received a permit beforehand. Mia Dammer wrote, by limiting the conditions in which pilots could operate their drones, Ottawa County violated Michigan's Unmanned Aircraft Systems Acts. Saying here, quote, since the county enabling statutes do not expressly authorize the county to regulate drones, the county's general authority to manage and control does not include drone regulation. And here's the part where they mention about the fact that they tried to ban, I guess, just taking videos and stuff in general as a way to kind of say, aha, there you go, for sure, 100%, you are banned. But it says here, Mia Dammer wrote the entire Ottawa County's policy on surveillance is enjoined or blocked by the injunction. The policy also included language prohibiting unauthorized video and photo recording of non-public county properties, such as personal offices at the county headquarters in West Olive. In 2020, a circuit court judge signed the MCDO after the group sued Genesee County for a similar policy banning drones in public parks. So that's good to see, in my opinion, people actually using their skill and knowledge to actually bring it up. It's kind of unfortunate where even here, I can't think of actually one organization that actually promotes for things like reasonable laws and all that, not over the top ones, or if it goes against their ability to say, I don't know, sell courses or something like that, then they will be against it. In my opinion, if it's about safety, then it should be about safety, not like this where it feels like it's more about control. And fortunately, in this case, you had people actually fighting back. guess there's no flying today. I guess it's time for the archive. Alright, see you guys later.